Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes on Survivor.io game. To redeem codes in Survivor.io and claim rewards like gems, energy, and other in-game items, open up the Survivor.io application on your device first. From the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now, you will see your player ID displayed right next to your avatar. Note down the player ID and then go open up a web browser on your device. After opening up a web browser, type in gift.survivorio.com and search. You will then end up in this redemption page. Type in your game ID in the first tab. Your game ID is your player ID. Simply go ahead and type down the player ID in the text box. After typing down the game ID, go to the Rewards Code tab and then type in a valid reward codes in the corresponding field. Now enter the verification code that has been displayed at the bottom to confirm. After you do that, click on the Redeem button in yellow at the bottom, and if your code is correct, your rewards will be sent to your in-game mailbox. And that is how you will be able to redeem codes in Survivor.io. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.